What happens if the United States is hit by a nuclear strike, and every command center on the ground is wiped out? Believe it or not, America already has a backup plan. A jet so secretive, most people have never even seen it. This is the E-4B Nightwatch, the plane built to keep the US government alive, even at the end of the world. At first glance, it looks like an old Boeing 747, but inside, it's a flying pentagon. The E-4B is designed to survive nuclear blasts, EMP attacks, and total communication failure. Every wire, switch, and panel is hardened to stay online when satellites and ground networks go dark. If Washington is ever attacked, the E-4B becomes America's airborne command center, the place where military orders, nuclear decisions, and national survival are coordinated. Here's the insane part. One E-4B is on alert 24/7. Engines warm, crew ready. The moment a threat is detected, it launches within minutes. It doesn't need the president on board. It exists to keep the US government functioning, even if the worst happens before anyone can escape. This is why it's nicknamed the Doomsday plane. Inside, it's nothing like Air Force One. There are war rooms, briefing centers, encrypted comms stations, and a full airborne operations deck. Teams can contact submarines, bombers, missile silos, even if every ground antenna in America has been destroyed. The aircraft can refuel in mid-air and stay up for 3 days straight. If the world falls apart, this jet stays in the sky. The president can fly on the E-4B, but the aircraft actually belongs to US Strategic Command. It is literally built for the darkest hour in American history. The E-4B fleet is now over 40 years old, but instead of retiring it, the US is spending billions on a replacement. Because in a world of rising tensions, China, Russia, nuclear modernization, America knows it will always need a command center that can survive the unthinkable. And right now, that responsibility still rests with one aircraft, the E-4B Nightwatch, the jet designed for the end of the world.